Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix APN, access point names, settings not available for Android users. Let's get started. Step 1. First, take your Android phone and open the Settings app. You can usually find it right on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down and look for the option that says SIM card and mobile network. Tap on it to continue. Step 3. Here, you'll see all the SIM cards listed on your device. Choose the specific SIM card for which you want to fix the APN settings. Step 4. Now, within the SIM card menu, look for the option labeled Access Point Names, or APN, and tap on it. Step 5. You might see a list of automatically added APNs. If there is an option to select or edit them, tap on it. Step 6. If you decide to add a new APN manually, tap the New APN option at the bottom of the screen. This will open the APN editing section. Step 7. In this menu, you'll need to fill in details like name, APN, proxy, port, username, password, and more. Make sure to enter the correct information provided by your network carrier. Step 8. Once you've filled out all the necessary details, tap on the three-dot icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then click on Save to save the new APN settings. Step 9. Go back to the APN list. If your new APN doesn't automatically set itself as the default, manually select it. After that, return to the home screen and restart your phone. Your APN settings should now be fixed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.